Today we are in day 40. That is, we are going to discuss about the certification and bonus tips. Before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that these are the ebook resources which I have prepared for the Business Central community, and also for I'll be preparing for Power Apps, Power BI, and everything. Okay, so here you can find that you have various ebooks references. These are all ebooks. Okay, AL Mastery in 3 weeks, which I have covered the complete information about AL Mastery. That is, we have discussed about the 21 days AL programming challenge. And this is Microsoft Mastering Business Central Functional Consultant. This is a Q&A, that is interview question and answers for between beginners to intermediate level, that is 2 to 5 years. So 0 to 5 years, that is beginners to 2 to 5 years. So this is for functional consultant, and this is for the AL programming. Okay, this 100 plus, nearly I think it will be 120 plus questions which will cover the entire AL programming. This is the interview question and answers for AL programming, which is based on this particular book. Okay, and this is a interview question and answers for Business Central developers. So this is a part 1 which I have curated for the freshers. Okay, so part 2 will be for the intermediate level, and part 3 will be for the advanced level. I'm creating that, so please stay tuned. And this is for the 20 must have checklist for the functional consultants. What are the checklist you should have, whatever I am covering in the video. Okay, so this book will be provided for free for the members who are there with me from the day 1 towards the day 41. And they should be interacting with me often with the exercises and everything. Okay, so they'll be getting this 20 checklist. And if you are not a member but you wanted to get the checklist, you can buy it from here. Okay, so this is the complete ebook content, that is ebook collection. I'll be updating this every month. Okay, and if you have any queries, if you wanted to connect with me, you can connect with me through this particular topmed account. So here you can connect, and like if you have any queries, if you want any specific doubts you want to deal with, if you are a fresher in Business Central, if you want to know more about it, then you can definitely schedule a call with me. Okay, anything. So what all these things, all these links I have given in the description, so you can find these things in the description. So this is the schedule a call with me, Business Central ebooks, that is ebook resources. So here you can find it, so please don't forget to watch this. Okay, and this is the 41 days channel, that is a 41 days functional consultants bootcamp playlist. You can check here. So the tutorial can be viewed by everyone, but the exercises and solutions are only available for the members. Okay, so I'll be connect I'll like you can just continue with the today's topic. I will tell you more about each and every book, like what is this book. I'll just release a separate video for every book individually. So how to browse the certification, because Business Central is vast. Okay, so there are various segments like Business Central for finance, sales, customers, like supply chain management and everything. How to browse, what is the right certification for you as a functional consultant. So this is the link. You have to go to this link. I can give you the link in the comment section. Okay, so once if you click here, you can see that there will be the filters. Okay, on the left side you can see the filters. Just select the Business Dynamics 365. Okay, just if you select the Dynamics 365, you can find only the certifications which are relevant to Dynamics 365 will be appearing here. And then just scroll down where you can see roles. Okay, like what is a role? App maker or business analyst. So what is your role? If you are into functional consultant, then you can just select functional consultant alone. Okay, and you can also select for the levels. If you are a beginner, you can just select beginner, and to know what are the beginner level thing. Beginner in the sense it will be like fundamental. Okay, intermediate will be like intermediate level, and the next experience will be the expert level. Okay, so if you unselect this, it will also show you everything. Okay, so you can see beginner, intermediate and advanced, and this is specifically a certification. So you can just click beginner first, if you assume that you are a beginner. So for beginner, we have Microsoft certified Dynamics 365 fundamental CRM. If you want to specifically be certified on CRM module, then you have this. If it is an ERP module, you have this MB 920. For CRM, it is MB 910. And yeah, these two are the certification. So this is this two is the certification after completing this exam. Okay, you don't have 4, you have only 2. So when you click this, it will open up here. It's a Dynamics 365. what is the important thing you should notice? Okay, so you have to notice one thing. If you right click on this, okay, you have to first check whether this is an active certification, whether you have this won't be retired within at least next 6 months. Okay, that you have to check. So the English version language was updated, so there is no other warning for this. And in this particular ERP, you will be learning these things. Okay, supply chain, you can see all the modules. So Microsoft has given everything for us. You can just read all the modules here in order to get ready for the exam. Okay, learn fundamentals in Microsoft project operations. So right click here so that you can see the complete module wise everything. Okay, so this is related to the beginner level. Okay, so you have, as a beginner, you have only two. One is MV 910 and second one is MV 920. Then if you go to the intermediate level, okay, so if you just click on this intermediate level, you can see various things. Okay, so if you want to filter some more, like you can select the credential type as a certification. So you can see only few things. Okay, so you have Microsoft Certified Dynamics Business, and this is MB 800. Okay, this is MB 800. And Dynamics 365 Customer Insight Specialty MB 260. This is for data engineer as well. And next one is MB 220. Next one is MB 230, MB 240, MB 300 and 310, which is specifically for finance functional data. Next one is Sales Functional Consultant Associate MB 210, MB 300 and 320, and PL 900. So this is related to Power Platform. So don't worry about this. We'll be discussing this later. But this is for the Business Central Functional Consultant. So what I actually asked you to check here is what? See, when I click this finance functional consultant associate, so what they have mentioned here, they have mentioned this as a warning. What is the warning here? MB 300 will retire on February 29, 2024. Okay, if you have passed exam MB 310 but not MB 300, be sure to pass the exam MB 300 before it retires. So this is the one. You should be very clear on this. Okay, before doing the exam, please go through this. And if you see about the advanced certification, you have only 3 advanced certification. One is MB 335, which is for Dynamics 365 supply chain management. Second one is MB 700, which is for the finance operation, Dynamics finance and operations. And the third one is PL 600, which is Microsoft Certified Power Platform Solution Architect Expert. These 3 expert certifications will have a prerequisite certification. For example, the intermediate level, you can write it without fundamentals. Okay, only few very rare certifications needs fundamentals, but almost all the expert level certifications you need intermediate level certification. So if you want to know more about any specific certifications, please leave your comments so that I can help you better. Okay, because if I just talk everything, like talk completely about each and every certification, it will take a lot of time. So just let me know what you wanted to understand, so I will just cover the specific topic after this boot camp. Okay, and to be an effective and a good successful functional consultant, what are the things you have to do is what? As a fresher, you cannot be a successful functional consultant. So you have to gain knowledge, you have to gain a lot of experience, develop consulting skills, okay, which includes analytical thinking, problem solving, effective communication, project management, and adaptability. Learn ERP systems like anyone, be master in any one ERP, at least Business Central, whatever like you wanted to learn. Okay, and certification and continuous learning is a key for anything to be success, for any field. Even if you are a trainer, even if you are a programmer, even if you are a solution architect, so whatever it may be, certification which will add some more value to your role and also your skill. Okay, and continuous learning. And you should have a networking and relationship building, that is very important for functional consultant. Understand the client needs. As a successful consultant, you should be an excellent listener, and you should understand and articulate client needs. Okay, you should have an effective communication. You also should have a project management skill. Okay, be adaptable and open to learning, and mentorship and continuous feedback is also another important aspect for any functional consultant. So tomorrow I will be by today I'm just concluding this bootcamp for the subscribers and the viewers. Thank you all for attending this bootcamp. I hope you find something useful in this bootcamp. You have learned something